So today is Sunday, and we have a Dell Latitude which is turning on and off. So I'm going to check it. Let me use my adapter. Plug the adapter. You can see the power LED is on and the laptop is off. So press the power button. Laptop is on and then it's click off. So I'm going to check out the problem. So I'm going to disassemble the Latitude daily and take out the motherboard. Okay guys, so I'm going to clean the motherboard. So you can see the motherboard have some dust over here. So dust can prevent the laptop from powering on. So I'm going to clean it. Where is my muscle? What is my brush? So I'm going to use this one, this brush, and the petrol. This is the petrol. Be careful, this LCD over here. Clean here. Petrol. So before you disconnect the CMOS battery, the battery is off.
Hiyo ni namba moja. Namba mbili yake amna, basi tunakuja kesho mida ya saa 4.
Clean the laptop. So you have the two spire chip here. First one and the second one. So
Madam, kimeshapatikana.
let's test it before apply some heat.
Nasema kio kimeshapatikana. Yatakapokuwa tayari anaweza kaja.
Connect the LCD.
Leo kama iko tayari. Kimepatikana mahali. Unatumia masaa mangapi kuweka pale? Ndio alisaa. Yaani wewe mwache relax, hamna shida. Asubuhi hamna shida, hamna shida.
Plug the adapter.
Ndani ya saa yetu akiwahi kumaliza kazi yake. Ndani ya saa.
So I'm going to press the power button here.
Kesho kuanzia saa 2. Okay, hamna shida.
Oh, plug the adapter. You can see the LED light is on, laptop screen, fan screen off.
Wewe namba 2 unataka kuongezea 5. Kitokea litani. Biashara gani? Wale wengine wanatamaa.
Press the power button again. Laptop is on and it's off. So this is the problem. So I'm going to apply some heat. So I'm going to reflow or apply some heat on super chip. Start with this. So I'm going to apply some heat on super chipset. Maybe the frozen super chip on off can be also caused by frozen super chip. Wait for the board to cool, then we'll come test it again. Okay. I'm going to test it again. The spectral over here. Laptop is on. Off. Press the power button, it's coming on, off, on again, and it's turning off. So it doesn't fix the problem. So I'm going to take out the motherboard so I can inspect it clearly. Okay guys, so after take out the motherboard, so after I remove the heatsink, you can see the thermal compound is dried like a cement. So first of all, I'm going to clean the motherboard on this side. Then I will replace the thermal compound. Then we will test it again because turning on and off can be caused by the thermal compound. So some laptop like Dell, HP, and Toshiba, when the thermal compound is dry here, it creates a barrier or a resistance for heat transfer between the CPU and its sink. So when the CPU gets hot, the CPU will not, the super U will not allow the computer to turn on because of overheat on CPU and the GPU. So I'm going to remove some compound. I'm going to clean the heatsink first of all. Also the lamp slot, I'll clean it. You can see the thermal compound is really dried. Clean the thermal paste, clean the thermal compound. This is not the thermal paste, this is thermal compound. Clean. Ngoja. Okay. Before apply the thermal compound, let's clean the board again for this side because you can see some dust here and there. So remember, thermal compound when it is really dry, it can cause the laptop not powering on because the CPU and the GPU will not be cooled, so the super IO shut down the laptop in order to prevent overheating. And destroy and kill the laptop. So not to avoid to kill the laptop or to overheat the CPU and kill it. The super USB prevents the laptop from turning on completely. That's why it's turning on and off. Okay, so clean the body. Blaza, bora mnaniandaa mablaza. Nikiwaita tajiri mnakasirika mablaza. Mimi ni kila chief ni tatizo, hamna shida. Clean the body properly with petrol. Oh. So I'm going to apply thermal compounds professionally. Okay, so I'm going to put back. I'm going to install back the heatsink. Put back the heatsink here. The laptop, when the laptop is turning on and off, you turn on then off means that most of the power rail are good. Because if you can press the power button, the laptop will turn on means that the 3.3 on Super IO and the 5 voltage rail present. So some issue like the same component can cause the laptop not turn on. So this is the laptop. So do we have the HDMI? So we have an HDMI here, so I can use it. I see the power LED is on. Well, now the power LED is on, it's not turning off. The laptop is on. I think it will start because the BIOS is reset. Let's look. Whoa! You can see we have the picture. Yes. So time of day not set. Please run the set program invalid. The C left-hand adapter voltage cannot be determined. The battery may not charge. The system will adjust the performance to match the power available. So the laptop is good now. It's fine. So the main problem is semi-compound. So from here we get a lesson the importance of semi-compound. To cool the CPU. If the CPU is not cooled, the laptop will not turn on. So I'm going to assemble the laptop on the housing there. Then we'll see display from the laptop and not externally. So I'm going to test internal display. Now the laptop is working fine. It's on, and the fan now is not spinning randomly because we replaced the thermal compound. So I'm going to assemble the laptop. Okay, so to assemble the body, so plug the adapter. This is the laptop. Press the power button. Oh, have the picture, have the Dell logo. Loading window. SF1, 2. Laptop is restarting. Loading window. Press F1. After restarting now it's loading window, so laptop is working fine. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Thank you.